All right, so the first thing that I did was I created the interior space of the triangle. Creating the interior space of the triangle allows me to select the whole triangle so I can put a point on the perimeter. Now I can create lines parallel to each of the sides through that point. Let's call this point P. Okay, and the points that where the parallel lines intersect are D, E, and F respectively. Oops, too many things highlighted. D, E, let's change the color of D and E just so that we can be clear here. Yellow. And we need to make point F as well. Okay, I also found it helpful to add in points where that is equal to PE on that side. This is also from P to E on this side of the triangle is equal from P to E on this side. And seeing the line in the middle of the triangle is a bit more helpful. Okay. And then I decided that this picture will be a little bit more clear if we don't show these large lines. And if instead we show the lines that go from P to D, P to F, and P to E all the way around the circle. Okay, so now we're ready to answer the question, which is, what is the addition of line PD, PE, and PF? First note that PF is 0. PD on this side is the same as PD on that side, and PE on this side is the same as PE on this side because it's an equilateral triangle. So adding these two lines in the middle is the same as adding one side. So adding them up equals the side of the triangle, AC. And the same thing happens on each side. The two blue lines in the middle are equal to the side that P is on. And that's true all across, all the way around the triangle. All right, great. In order to do this, I also used this website for help, Geometry Sketchpad Reference Center. Learned about points and how to make them, and learned about polygons, and I realized that in GPS I need to be careful about which things are highlighted, because if I highlight the things that are necessary to construct that, then I will be able to construct it. Whereas right now you can see nothing is highlighted here. I'm not able to construct anything because nothing is highlighted. So great!